Concentration is the measure of the amount of solute that have been dissolved in a given amount of solvent or solution. It can be expressed qualitatively or quantitatively. Qualitatively, we can describe the concentration of the solution by using the words dilute and concentrated. To know the difference between the two, let's do the following activity. This activity will help us in describing the difference between dilute solution and concentrated solution. The materials that we need to prepare are 4 plastic cups of the same size, hot water, teaspoon for stirring, and coffee powder. If you are ready for the activity, let us now begin. Part 1. Label each cup with A and B. Put 1 cup of hot water in each cup. Add 1/8 teaspoon of coffee powder in cup A and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder in cup B. Stir both mixtures and observe what happens. A dilute solution is a solution that has a little amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. An example for this is the solution in cup A. Concentrated solution, on the other hand, has a large amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. Comparing the appearance of both solutions, we can say that dilute solution has lighter color, while concentrated solution has darker color. If we are going to taste and smell these solutions, we can find that dilute solution has a mild taste and scent, while concentrated solution has a strong taste and scent. Now, let's proceed to the part 2 of our activity. Part 2. Label the other 2 cups, cup C and cup D. Put 1/4 cup of hot water in cup C and 1 cup of hot water in cup D. Add 1/8 teaspoon of coffee powder in each cup. Stir the mixture and observe carefully. From the part 2 of our activity, we can say that dilute solution can also be described as the solution that has a greater amount of solvent in a given amount of solute, while concentrated solution has a little amount of solvent in a given amount of solute. Dilution is the process of decreasing the concentration of solute in solution by adding more solvent. If you wanted to decrease the concentration of a solution, you will need to add more solvent in it. For example, in the activity that we have done, cup C has a concentrated solution. If we wanted to decrease its concentration, we need to add more solvent. Originally, cup C has 1/4 cup of hot water and 1/8 teaspoon of coffee powder. Now, let's try to add 3/4 cup of hot water in cup C and observe what will happen. Observation: the color of the solution in cup C changes from darker to lighter. The solution in cup C becomes a dilute solution. Concentrated solution can be prepared by adding more solute while keeping the amount of solvent the same. Let's have an example. In our activity, the solution in cup A is a dilute solution. If we wanted to make it a concentrated solution, we need to add more solute. Originally, cup A contains 1 cup of hot water and 1/2 teaspoon of coffee powder. Now, to make it concentrated, let's add 1 1/2 teaspoon of coffee powder and stir the mixture. Observation: the color of the solution in cup A changes from lighter to darker. The solution in cup A becomes a concentrated solution. Let's sum up the difference between the dilute solution and concentrated solution. Dilute solution has a little amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. However, in a given amount of solute, dilute solution has greater amount of solvent. Dilute solution has a mild scent, lighter in color, and mild taste, while the concentrated solution has a greater amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. But, in a given amount of solute, concentrated solution has little amount of solvent. This concentrated solution has strong scent, darker in color, and strong taste.
If you have questions regarding this video, leave your comment below or contact your teacher right away. Thank you.